See, I tack welded these little pieces of 1/2 inch flat so the windows can lay on them. I'll put some caulking between that glass and the window, the glass. And then I gotta put the handle on there. Hey, that shouldn't be a big deal to put a handle, right? I got a handle right here. Look at that, that's so fancy. How do you put it on? No big deal, let's just look at the instructions. Oh, okay, yeah, some instructions. There's a whole lot of shit on there. That's a whole lot of shit. If drilling a new door, use the supplied template and the complete door drilling instructions available at quickset.com/door. Okay, so I did that. Here's what we got. That's like a lot of paper. Is it seriously that fucking complicated? Template. We got a template. See? That's a fucking... You put the template on. You gotta choose which back set you want. Do you want a 2 3/8? Do you want a 2 3/4? You gotta choose one. I don't fucking know. I don't give a shit. I'll take the big one. Two and a quarter, 1 3/4. So that's where you would drill for the bolt, for the dead bolt, and then for the latch bolt. But this is 2 inch. This shit right here is 2 inch. Like my dick! So what, do I drill in the middle? What if I just drill right in between? It's gonna be centered, right? Centered in line with that motherfucker, right? That motherfucker is a 2 1/8 inch hole. Where does it say? 2 1/8 inch hole saw. Harbor Freight didn't have it, so I had to buy a fancy schmancy Milwaukee. So I got my 2 inch hole saw. And then you want to drill the bolt with a spade bit. Probably ain't gonna work in metal. So we need a 1 inch hole saw. So is that what we're gonna do? We're just gonna drill that fucking shit out of there and then drill this shit into there and connect them with that. And then do it there. And there. Put that in. Then there's that little bolt screw in the bottom. Where does that go? There, I guess. I don't fucking know. Let me read a fucking novel so I can fucking learn how to do this fucking shit. Holy fuck. This is the worst part. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. We got fucking T-Rex tape. That ain't a joke. That ain't a fucking joke at all. T-Rex tape. That shit's fucking strong as a fucking humongous goddamn dinosaur that would fucking eat your ass. You think this tape is gonna be some bitch ass tape when it's called T-Rex tape? I don't think so. Some fucking hardcore shit right here. Probably shouldn't be using it. I probably should use some tape that won't rip the fucking paper when I put it. Who gives a fuck? I'm gonna do the 2 3/4 back set. Thanks. Latch. Latch. Bolt. That's a dead bolt. You see that? So it's shorter and it's longer. If you want a 2 3/8 back set, you do that shit. If you want a 2 3/4 back set, you do that shit. Son of a bitch, man. Right on the fucking mark. Right on that shit. Since we got a 1 3/4 here and a 2 1/4 here, I'm gonna put it right in the fucking middle between those two bitches. Right there. Stuff like this stresses me the fuck out, man. Like, this, all this fucking crap. What the fuck, dude? Don't you just put this thing on and make it line up with this piece of fucking shit? 1 3/4 and 1. What are the door? There's like standard door sizes. You know, all the standards. It all pisses me off. Because they'll be like, yeah, it's 1.5 inch, but it's fucking 1 fucking, 5/8 or whatever the fuck. 2x4s are 1.5 by 3.5s. You know, we live in a fucked up world. I hope you got your fucking boosters. What does that say? Cutting oil for drilling metal, right? Put a little bit in the cap. It's a hole saw, so it's gonna need a lot of lube. It's gonna have to be there. Drilly drill. Fuck. I'm on screw drive mode now. First I was on hammer drill, and then I was on screw drive mode. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Hole saw's falling out of the fucking chuck. God damn son of a bitch. Shit. Framing. More fucking oil. That shit kind of helps, honestly. Put some fucking lube on there. Of course, later on we have to clean it off, so that's gonna suck. Son of a bitch. If you have long locks and you get them stuck in this drill, you're gonna get scalped like a white man by the engine.